Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a square root of x equals to minus x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. So here in this method we use the nice radical technique to solve this problem. You very well know about that. If we have any number a, we write this a as into the form of product of two radicals. So we write it as square root of a multiplied by square root of a. So we use this nice rule here, and according to this, first we move minus x to the left hand side, and we will square root of x is this is negative x becomes positive x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we use this nice rule here, and we write this x as into the form of product of two radical terms. In this way we write this x as square root of x multiplied by square root of x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further we need to take common square root of x from here, and when we take common square root of x, we get the remaining values are, from here we get 1 only, plus from here we get square root of x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write square root of x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 1 plus square root of x is equals to 0. So for the values of x, we need to remove this square root sign from here, and for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides. So it will be written as in this form. From here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and we will get square root of x is equals to minus 1. And from here you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to, this is 0 square becomes here 0. So we get only one root of the given equation, and that is equals to 0. We have x is equals to 0. In the same pattern we need to uh, find the value of x from here. So for this we again take squaring on both of the sides, and we obtain square root of x whole square is equals to minus 1 square. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we get x is equals to, this is minus 1 square, minus 1 square becomes here plus 1. So you see that in the first method we will get these are the two roots of the given equation, and now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of x is equals to minus x, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 1. So first we verify x is equals to 0, and for this we substitute x is equals to 0 on both of the sides, and we check its behavior. So we get square root of 0 equals to minus 0. So square root of 0 becomes 0 is equals to 0. You see that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal, this concludes about that the value x is equals to 0 is satisfied over given question statement. X is equals to 0 be the first solution of the given equation. From here we substitute x is equals to 1 on both of the sides, and we will get here square root of 1 is equals to minus 1, and we know that square root of 1 is equals to 1 equals to minus 1. So you see that both of the sides are not equal, because this is positive 1, this is negative 1, these two are not equal. And if these two are not equal, this concludes about that the value x is equals to 1 is not satisfied over given question statement. So we will be called that x is equals to 1 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement, and x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is x is equals to 0. So this is the only one solution which we get here in this method. And now here in the next step we again solve this problem for second method. So for a second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of x is equals to minus x. So here we use another different approach to solve this problem for the values of x. And for this now here in this method we remove the square root sign from here, and for this we will take squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, this will be written as in this form. This is square of minus x. You see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to, this is minus x square. We know about that minus x square becomes here positive x square. And further we move this x from left hand side to the right hand side, and we will get x square minus x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, you see that both of these two terms involve x. So we will be take common x from here, and when we take common x we get the remaining values are, when you take common x from here we get x only, minus from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 1 equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation. From here we move plus 1 to the right hand side, and we get the value of x is equals to plus 1. So you see that in the second method we again get these are the two roots of the given equation which we get here from first method as well. So you see that in the first method x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement, but x is equals to 1 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we will be called that x is equals to 1 be the extraneous root of the given equation, and x is equals to 0 is called the solution set of the given equation because x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.